Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Virgo at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Tignan po natin kung ano yung mensahe para sa buwan ng Disyembre para sa'yo, Virgo. Ito ay sa larangan ng pag-ibig. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So, merong attraction, no? There is somebody na attracted sa'yo, or you might be somebody na attracted to someone. Tignan natin kung ano yung makikita natin sa tarot. We have the Six of Cups, the Ten of Cups, the Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, and the Four of Swords. Bottom is the Three of Cups. Now, Virgo, yung Three of Cups dito is something to do with maybe asking for a date, no? Something to do with na magkita kayo ng person mo. And this person is a water sign, Queen of Cups. Be a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. And yung person mo is really holding on dito sa nararamdaman niya para sa'yo, Virgo. Holding on tightly to what yung kanyang feelings towards you. And hoping na sana maging yung magkaroon kayo ng reconciliation, with the Three of Cups energy. Kung nagkahiwalay man kayo, gusto niya sana maibalik yung nawala. At magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa sa pag-ibig with the Ace of Cups. No? Kaya hindi niya basta-basta to ma-let go. Hindi ka niya maalis sa kanyang puso't isipan. Okay? Kaya gusto niya talaga na sana mabigyan ng opportunity na makapag-usap kayo, na magkita kayo, no? Para maayos yung kung ano man yung kaguluhan dati. Kasi malakas talaga yung attraction nitong person na to sa'yo, Virgo. At yung nangyari kasi nung past nyo, yung nakaraan nyo, with the Six of Cups, this is somebody na kilala mo na siya, no? Meron na kayong kahit papano naging meeting o you've known this person before, meron ng opportunity to see or meet or talk to this person, kahit papano nakilala mo na siya, no? Not necessarily kilalang kilala, but to those water sign na nakilala ang isang Virgo na hindi pa nila totaling nagkakaroon ng opportunity to know the person very well, ito yun yung energy na yun. But somehow, meron ng kung gawa meron ng introduction, no? Meron ng pagkakakilala. And yung naging challenge kasi dito is something to do with the Ten of Cups. No, yung happiness nyo, pareho. Maybe nagkaroon ng conflict because considering Virgo is really, such a hardworking person, nakafocus siya sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang career, sa kanyang pera. Where if this is a water sign, definitely more of yung for other people ang iniisip niya. Not much sa sarili, but for that person, para sa iyo, Virgo. Now, ang nangyari, we will see and we will clarify, yung naging action kasi is the Nine of Pentacles, which is pagiging single, to focus on being single and to focus sa sarili. Na mas palaguin pa yung pera or mas mag-focus sa career and, being independent, no? Totally independent from anyone. Kung gaba kasi, pinapakita mo dito sa card na to, sa energy na to, na you're capable, very much capable of supporting yourself. No? Kayang-kaya mong buhayin ang sarili mo, suportahan ang sarili mo financially. You don't need anybody para suportahan ka o bigyan ka ng pera para mabuhay. Kayang-kaya mo gawin yon. Kasi nga nag-focus ka na sa sarili mo, sa career mo, kung saan ka magaling para ka makaipon ng pera. Now, meron kasing energy dito with the Knight of Wands, which is, alam naman natin na ang energy na to is something na temporary. Something na hindi consistent. Something na andyan lang pag gusto, nawawala pag ayaw. Okay? And ang naging kung gabay is outcome is or advice is just take it easy with the Four of Swords. Just take it easy muna. Ka muna, mag-rest, mag-isip, mag-meditate. Wala mo ng movement, no movement at all. Kung gaba parang you just wait for the right time. Kasi parang lumalabas dito na hindi pa ito yung oras para mangyari itong relationship o para magkaroon ng reconciliation. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Bakit anito yung Ten of Cups? We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Death, and the Nine of Cups. Bottom niya is the Knight of Cups. Yung naging problem nga na naapektuhan yung inyong happiness, something to do with you, Virgo, kasi this is you, no? The Queen of Pentacles. Kung gaba pinairal mo yung ikaw, no? Nag-focus ka talaga sa sarili mo. Kung gaba yung priority mo is you, your money, your career. And that, kung gaba, because of that, nagkaroon ng ending yung relationship nyo nitong person na to, yung person from the past, the person that you're attracted to, or may attraction sa'yo. Take it as it resonates, okay? Kasi nga dahil masyado kang naka-in tune sa iyong sarili, that you lost time, no? Wala ka ng panahon para ibigay dito sa person na to. Kung gaba parang naging wish fulfillment mo to eh. Ang wish mo kasi is talagang maging on top of your game, no? Yung talagang ma-achieve mo yung goals mo pagdating sa iyong career, sa iyong finances. Kasi yun yung gusto mo eh. This is what you want. To be successful. Financially successful. And na makilala ka, ma-recognize yung hard work mo, earn a lot of money, magkaroon ng magandang position sa iyong company o yung pinagtatrabahuhan mo. Talagang binigay mo lahat para to really uplift yourself dito sa ginagawa mong work. And that causes the problem. Kasi yung oras nga was really just focus on yourself. Nawala ng panahon dito sa person mo. You're too busy to engage para mabigyan ng pagkakataon o time itong person na lumalapit sa'yo. O yung meron kang attraction o may attraction sa'yo. Okay? Kaya nga ang nangyari is naging successful ka naman. Naging wish fulfillment, no? It did came true. Kasi with the 9 of Pentacles, pinakita mo dito na you are sufficient. You have the money. Nakaipon ka eh. Nakaipon ka talaga ng pera. Natupad mo yung posisyon na gusto mo. O tutuparin mo yung posisyon na gusto mo. Okay? Ito yung mangyayari. If you're heading towards this goal, Virgo, magiging ganito ka. No? Very independent, would have money, resources, talagang nasa sayo na lahat except love. Okay? Now, tignan natin. Bakit andito yung Knight of Wands? We have the Sun, the Hierophant, and the Hangman. Bottom niya is the Star. Now, ang gusto mo kasi is, of course, to be happy. The intention of your person wants to be happy. Gusto niya mapakasal, no? Magkaroon ng magandang relationship with you. But things are not really moving the way you wanted or your person wanted. No? Parang nagkakaroon nga ng in and out energy. Minsan nandun, minsan wala. Minsan doon, minsan wala. As if parang walang consistency. Hindi mo feel yung security na yun, yung pagiging alam mo andyan. Wala siya dun eh. Wala, hindi ganun yung nararamdaman ng person mo. Maybe because nga that feeling of kasi masyado ka ng independent, andun ka na sa taas eh. Possible na pag-iwanan mo na tong person mo. Because you have really strived so hard working on yourself, kaya successful ka. And ang gusto lang naman talaga ng tao mo o yung person mo is maging masaya, to be happy and successful. with you, have a relationship with you. And possible kung pwede nga, maging kayo, no? Maging kayo yung maging husband and wife, or wife and wife, husband and husband, whatever. But the thing is, gusto niya maging kayong dalawa in a relationship. But dahil nga sa nangyayari, things are not moving. Medyo may pagka-stagnant. Dahil sa energy nitong in and out, in and out. Okay? Now, bakit andito yung Four of Swords? Okay, yung bottom niya is the Two of Wands. Ang nag-flip po kasi is the Queen of Wands, the Strength, and the Ten of Swords. Now, yung pinaka outcome dito is, sabi nga, di ba, you take a break, or yung sinasabi dito sa person mo na just take a break. Mag-chill out ka muna. Don't do anything. Just relax muna. And yung energy mo na being the Queen of Wands, no? Showing that passionate side of you. And of course, yung sabihin natin na yung courage na gusto mo, yung lakas ng loob mo na para masabi lahat ito kay Virgo, dadating din yung ending nito. Ang gaba yung, kasi sa ngayon parang hindi pa mangyari, di ba? Everything is put on hold. Everything's put on hold. But there will come a time na magkakaroon ng ending. Matatapos din lahat itong pain na naranasan mo. Yung pagkakataon na alam mo yung masabi lahat ng gusto mo sabihin. To be able to express your passion towards Virgo and have the courage to say everything sa kanya. It will come. Dadating yon. But the thing is, hindi pa siya ngayon. Not now. Because your advice is to stay put, relax, meditate, and parang anuhin mo muna yung iyong energy. You know, just reserve all this energy. Kasi dadating yung time do sa person mo na magkakaroon na siya ng lakas ng loob para harapin ka. Or dadating yung time, no, opportunity na makakapag-usap kayong dalawa. Maybe you will give this person a chance to talk ulit. Okay? Maybe there will be something that would be happening para ma-push at magkaroon ng pagbabago yung yung takbo ng relationship. Kasi andito yung, di ba, there was a decision that was made. Nagkaroon na ng parang conclusion na this is what I want to do. And that is to offer love. And stop being a hermit, which is you. No? Itigil na yung pagiging ermitanyo, yung pag-iisa. Ipaalam na kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman. At yun naging desisyon. I think this is something to do with you, Virgo. Okay? Na if you are also procrastinating, you're holding back, then you need to make that decision as well. But I think dadating yung time na yun na magdidesisyon ka na maybe I should give this person a chance. Na siguro panahon na para mag-usap kami, para matapos na lahat itong mga bagay na hindi namin napag-usapan. No? Because sa totoo lang, I'm still attracted. to my person. And vice versa. Okay? Kaya kung ba parang panahon lang, only time will tell kung ano talaga yung dapat. Okay? So, yun yung mag-ano sa'yo. Kung ba parang mag-trigger sa'yo na bigyan ng parang second chance nga, or sabihin natin na parang to revisit or to analyze everything. Kasi ando pa rin yung attraction, no? If you would kung ba parang chine-check mo yung sarili mo, no? Trying to check yourself, andun pa rin yung attraction sa person na to. Kailangan lang ng pagkakataon na makapag-usap, no? And mailabas lahat ng things that hold back before, kung bakit hindi kayo nagkatuluyan. Okay? So yun lang yung kailangan yung mapag-usapan. Ano yung naging reason dito? Maybe your person didn't know, or maybe alam din niya, but at least nasabi mo na nag-focus ka sa sarili mo, binigyan mo talaga ng time na mapabuti sa trabaho kasi ito yung priority mo. Okay? So, I guess ang ano dito is just to be honest with your person. Tingnan natin kung anong gusto niya sabihin. I look for you everywhere. I feel you leaving me behind. And I replay our conversations over and over. Okay, so nahanap ka pa rin niya, no? Your person is still really wanted to see you again, to communicate with you again. Maybe nararamdaman niya kasi na parang talagang lumalayo na lahat, no? Everything seems to be fading out. Alam ko nararamdaman mo siya at nararamdaman ka rin niya. Kaya nga, just to parang go back, this is nire-replay mo over and over again yung conversation. That is what you're doing with the Four of Swords. Iniisip mo pa rin yung pinag-uusapan nyo nun. Yung huling na pag-usapan nyo. Okay? Para siguro nga to really analyze everything na ito yon. Dito kami nagkamali, o dito yung dapat namin i-correct. Ito yung hindi pa namin napag-usapan mabuti. Kaya pag nagkaroon ng opportunity, talagang alam mo na at alam ng person mo na ito yung mga dapat nating bigyan ng focus para maayos natin itong ating relationship or future relationship. Okay? So, maraming salamat, Virgo, sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sana nakatulong ito sa'yo. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.